Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making suya using chicken. As you can see in this video, snail. I have beef also and prawn. So first of all, I had to get my pepper suya spice and I had to drop some quantity inside a plate. Okay, I added another type of suya spice, as you can see. Then after that, I had to add my salt. I added salt, then followed by my olive oil in order to mix them together very well before I can now finally use it and marinate my chicken, beef, snail, prawns. So that's just it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? You can add whatever it is you also feel like adding into the mixture. Okay, I added more of the spice inside, the suya spice rather. So as you can see, this is the suya spice. If you buy this, no need of adding ginger, garlic and other things because it is already blended inside this fat suya pepper spice. As you can see on the body, ginger, sea salt, herbs, African nutmeg, peanuts, cake, onions, everything is already inside. Just buy it and salt together with olive oil or any oil of your choice. You are good to go, okay? So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? So the next one is to marinate. Yeah, these are the meats I'll be using. I had to pour in the mixture inside the meat. Then had to marinate and left it for like 2 to 3 hours. Once you are done marinating, you set it aside, cover it, leave it for like 2 to 3 hours. If you can do it in the night, and then leave it in your fridge, cover it and keep it inside your fridge. Then in the morning, you can now bring it out and put it inside your skewer sticks, and before you can now transfer into your oven. Okay, so as you can see, I'm marinating mine. I am putting on a hand glove. So you have to marinate it well, set it aside for like 2, 3, 4 hours, sometimes 6 hours. It depends. Or you can as well do it in the evening. Then the next day you can now bring it out and continue. Okay. So this is me trying to marinate it very well so that when we are done, our suya will be so tasty and yummy. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? The first one I made, I used only beef, but my partner said I should do more of chicken and prawns. So the beef that is still there is more like a leftover beef. So as you can see, I am already done marinating. So this is how this skewer sticks looks like. You have to put it inside the skewer sticks before you can now finally grill. So I am trying to put a little of the suya spice on top. Now I am about to put it inside my bushy mist oven so it can so as you can see our suya is almost ready. It's ready. When you put it inside your bushy mist oven, there is a timer there, you just set it. So as you can see, my son is enjoying it. He said it's sweet. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.